song because, you know, that's our process. So leave you with this. Pray for the rain, pray for the early snow. Pray there's a God up in heaven, a fallen angel below. Pray for the road less traveled, unravel the truth you know. Pray for the working class people. Pray for the water, for the healing spring. Pray for the wind in the treetops when the forest sings. Pray for the crying babies or the crying shame. Some of us will never pass this way again. Pray every step I take will one day lead me home. Pray the mistakes I make ain't set in stone. Pray for everyone I have ever known. Pray for me. Pray for hope, for the endless dream. Pray for an end to the violence and the misery. Pray every runaway baby got a getaway bed. Pray for the naughty pictures in my head. Pray for the passion, the poison, the lost and found. Pray for the prisons, the corporations, the breaking down. Pray for the, what the hell are we waiting for? The end is coming soon. Pray for the sun, the earth, the moon. Pray every step I take will one day lead me home. Pray the mistakes I make ain't set in stone. Pray for everyone you have ever known. Pray for me. Every now and then, I gotta admit, there's some unanswered questions, like what did we see, and what did we do, and what do we know, and everything is now, I'm gonna muddle through somehow, dealing with the same pretensions. So pray for my soul, if I still have one. Pray for the one tiny moment when I won't need none. Pray for the road ahead and the dark ocean. Pray that peace is a shared notion. Pray for the universe. Pray for you and me. Pray every living consciousness is breathing free. Pray for the life around us, the mystery. Pray for all that we might be. Pray every step I take ain't set in stone. Pray the mistakes I make will one day lead me home. Pray for everyone I have ever known. Pray for me. Won't you pray for me?